Hello, good morning, viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwal. Today we will be talking about the Mars activation of the eclipse point, and it has proved spot on. I had mentioned that Mars ingress after the 5th December to 9th December is most malefic and prone to malefic happenings because it is activating the eclipse point of 3 degrees of Kritika for the lunar eclipse of the 19th November 2021. I'd also mentioned in my solar ingress predictions which took place, and I had written an article that the sun ingress in cardinal signs gives effect for 3 months, and the sign rising is Capricorn, and there is Radha Yoga. First of all, Venus is afflicted in the 11th house with Ketu, and there is Radha Yoga between Mercury retrograde, the 6th lord, and the 9th lord with Venus the 10th lord. And the movement and Mars is placed with Mercury, and there is also Itsal Yoga between Mars and Venus, and it shows a difference of 10 degrees. Maybe after 10 days there could be malefic happenings. So that date comes out to be 27th, 28th November. After 27th, 28th November, there could be malefic happenings. And especially when Mars goes in the sign where Venus is placed, and that is Scorpio. And the moment Venus enters the sign Capricorn, the effects could be seen. Now, let me elaborate this. My predictions, and I had predicted that there could be rail and air accidents and involving high officials, VVIPs, and the things could not be good. And let me now elaborate and tell you what all I have written in this article yesterday after the crash of the helicopter in which Vipin Rawat has succumbed to death. So let me read the article. The article is Mars activates eclipse point, chopper crash, 8 December 2021, 2020 hours. My prediction spot on for analysis of the event and analysis by Prashna Jyotish. I have analyzed the parameters at the time of 8th December 2021 at 2020 hours Konur. So let me just read out. You see, I am 74 years of age and I forget. In fact, I had forgotten that I had made these predictions, and I'm thankful to one of my associates and onlookers of my site, and this girl reminded me that my predictions have turned true, and on the basis of that then I searched for it, and I found that in two articles I had mentioned that there could be rail and air accidents, and the date will be after the 5th of December to 9th of December. So my predictions for this have proved spot on. Let me read out. Now, read my article Partial Lunar Eclipse of the 19th November 2021. What it has up its sleeves. I mentioned the link, you can go through it. Then also read my article for December 2021. I had written a day before on the 7th that the planetary positions in December 2021 are most enigmatic, and I had also made a video for it. And just when I made a video, my wife also came, and she, while I was making my video, she said the helicopter has crashed in which Bipin Rawat was there. So I could not recollect my predictions, otherwise I would have narrated the whole issue even yesterday. But I'm 74 years of age, and I write so many articles, and in fact I forget my predictions, but most of them I remember. But sometimes when I had predicted, and all that has to be looked into, because I've made almost now 1680 predictions in just 5.5 years. Now the predictions proving spot on. Mars activates the eclipse point of the solar eclipse of the 19th November 2021 at 3 degrees and results in chopper crash, and predictions made in advance for the VVIPs. Read the text here for the predictions for the rail and air accidents. The third house predictions is in this article. Third house is communication, like rail, roads, airways, electronic media. Presence of benefics is good here for economy, but here Rahu is there, and Rahu is in adverse motion, and adverse motion is just like a snake bite, and it is aspected by Mars from the from the ninth house. So after Mars ingress in Scorpio, and rail and air accidents, but will be under control. As a matter of fact, after the 9th of December, they will be under control, but till 9th of December it is most prone to malefic happenings. 8th house predictions in the article. 8th house, stability of the government, danger to the life of incumbents at the highest level for VVIPs, and air accidents. Political office, foreign debt, natural disasters, epidemics, large-scale deaths. Presence of benefics is good, but presence of malefic is bad, because Rahu is placed there, so it had to happen. The grace is both Mars and Saturn influence to the 8th house are in Pushkar Navamsha, but I find that even in Pushkar Navamsha they have not been able to save the native. The Pushkar Navamsha may work according to individual charts, but not for mundane predictions. This is what I have come to the conclusion. But Saturn is in Mrityu Bhag, and then Saturn has got Veda from Ketu. So this is another negative part. May give volatile results, because when in the Saptasalaka Chakra there is Veda between Saturn and Ketu, and Saturn at the time of the event is placed in the 12th house. We will talk about it. The chopper crash today and Mr. Bipin Rawat involved in the accident is a bad news as predicted. Bipin Rawat chopper crash. Also read my article, Solar Ingress in Libra, Jupiter, Mercury in direct motion, and Mars in Libra, what they have up their sleeves. I mentioned the link and I will read out. I mentioned the chart. The chart is of Capricorn Lagna, where Saturn and Jupiter in fallen state and retrograde state and debilitated state is there. And as I mentioned, Venus, the Lagna lord of the India Foundation chart and the 6th lord of the foundation chart is with Ketu. And as we discussed, it has got Radha Yoga with Mars, with Mercury, and Itzal with Mars. And the moment Mars goes in the sign Cancer, in the sign Scorpio, and activates the eclipse point, will be the point of concern. And the moment Venus enters the sign Capricorn, will be the most enigmatic period, and Venus was about to enter yesterday at 13:51 hours when the episode took place, when the unfortunate event took place at 12:20 hours. In Prashna Jyotish, they say a planet which is about to enter a sign is most important, and till it enters, it can give any type of results. And Venus is also Karka for aircrafts, and Venus was afflicted in the 17th October 2021 when the solar ingress took place, and the sun is debilitated in the 10th house, which clearly indicates the 10th house is a house for the VVIPs, and the sun is debilitated, and the dispositor Venus is afflicted by Ketu, and it has got Radha Yoga with Mars exact degree at 16 degrees, and Mars is at 26 degrees. So all this is happening, and what I wrote, I will tell you. The day is Sunday, and the Lord is Sun, placed in the 10th house in Papkatri Yoga. The day Lord is placed in the Yama of Leo, the 8th house of the chart. The 8th house of the chart clearly mentions that there is going to be some unfortunate event as far as the 10th house is concerned. And 10th house represents the VVIP, the head of the country, the head of the army, the head of the naval staff, and all those people who are on topmost positions. Sun is ill placed from the 9th house, 9th lord Mercury, and also from the 11th house and 11th lord Mars. So Mars and Mercury will play the game. Sun has aspects of Saturn from the Lagna, and Sun is placed in the sign of debilitation in the 10th house, which is the house of the king, ruler, prime minister, head of the state, party in power, nation's prestige, reputation, parliament, national celebrities, people of high status and topmost positions, disgrace, foreign trade and lawlessness. Hence, the transit of Sun in the 10th house is most precarious, and this Sun in cardinal signs in the sign Libra gives effect for 3 months. Mind you, this, although it is in Shirshodaya sign, but being in Kendra, the Lagna becomes Adhomukh and also Prishtode, having Saturn forming a Shasha Yog in the in the 4th house from Sun, but having a foreign Jupiter, retrograde debilitated Jupiter. Jupiter will become direct on the 18th October 2021. All this is indicative of much movements and turmoils in the center and authority, people of authority. The affliction to Venus as the Lagna Lord and the 6th Lord of the foundation chart is most enigmatic, and air accidents and espionage from foreign elements is not ruled out when Mars reaches the sign Scorpio after the 5th December 2021, and Venus enters the Lagna Capricorn on the 8th December 2021 of the above chart. This time frame will be responsible for air crash and some espionage from foreign elements. Mercury, the 6th Lord, has Purna Sal with Venus and Radha Yoga, most malefic. Hence, Sun ingress in Libra will bring most enigmatic results for 3 months. So my predictions prove spot on, and I've even mentioned the 8th December 2021 and 9th December 2021 are most enigmatic. Not even a single astrologer has predicted this. Mind you, friends, I use Prashna even in mundane, and I find it works beautifully well. And there's not even a single astrologer who has predicted. We have to go in all details and use multiple methods to give the final results. Now, unfortunately, the crash happened exactly on the day when Venus was to ingress in Capricorn, the 8th house of on the 8th December 2021 at 13:51 hours, and the crash took place at 12:20. as per the Prashna Jyotish, a planet about to change and becomes most important for any event, and Venus at 29.58 degrees in Sagittarius and about to go in 12th house of the event chart, where Gulika, Saturn and Moon are placed in the event chart of the crash. Now Prashna analysis. My predictions prove 100%. Now Prashna analysis. The day is Wednesday, and the time of the chopper crash, at the time of the chopper crash, 8th December 2021, Kunur, Tamil Nadu. 22 Deshkon sign is Capricorn. The 12th house and Gulika is also placed, where Saturn and Moon are also there. In the Prashna chart, when Saturn and Moon are together, it becomes most precarious, and it indicates the event pertaining to whatever it has happened. It clearly points out that there is going to be some very important VVIP which will be involved in the event, and a most evil one. 64th Navansha Lord is Mercury. Malefics in the 410 axis is most evil. Moon and Saturn in the 12th house, reason for the crash. Lagna Adhomukh, and the Lord is placed in the 12th house. Second house from Aruda Lagna has malefics, evil results. Jupiter in the Lagna, reputation, wealth, both high for the natives who are involved in the accident, but the dispositor in the 12th house, they will lose everything. Mars and Sun in the 10th house produce victory and show the person is of high status and VVIP, but has Rahu and Ketu close to eclipse. Eclipse took place on the 4th of December. Mind you, friends, I had mentioned in my article, irrespective whether the eclipse is visible or not, the effects in the transit are seen. And close to the eclipse and Mars activation of the eclipse point, evil results will flow. Mars activates after the 5th of December to 9th of December. 9th of December, it comes exactly over 3 degrees, and at the time of the event it is 2.31 degrees. So, and it is in the same Navamsha. Jupiter Mars exchange of stars, and Poon Itsal, malefic one, most malefic parameter in Prashna Jyotish. Mars and Jupiter are enemies, and if there is exchange of stars, it is most malefic. Mars is the third lord and the 11th lord, and Jupiter is the second and the 11th lord. So friends, it becomes most precarious. Jupiter is the 10th lord, and Jupiter is the 11th lord and the second lord, and Mars is the 10th lord. So there is exchange between the stars, and there is Purna Itsal between them. It clearly indicates that things are not going to be good. But as far as Parashar Jyotish is concerned, they are friends. But mind you, friends, I use the South Indian techniques, and as for Prashna Marg, they are malefics, they are not friends. Mars and Sun in the 10th house, okay, it is good. Now, Mars and Jupiter and Mars star exchange, and Purna Itsal malefic one, the most malefic parameter. Mars is the third lord. Trisputa falls in Virgo, and the lord in the 10th house in nakshatra, and evil results will follow. Trisputa Navamsha has Ketu. The native suffers from wounds, sores from fire. Trisputa Lord Mercury debilitated in Lagna of the Navamsha. Sukshma Trisputa falls in Sagittarius, where Venus is there and about to go in the 12th house. Evil results will flow. And from the aircraft, because Venus significator for aircraft. Malefic parameters. Lagna D9 dual. Moon Navamsha Lagna D9 is dual. Moon is in dual Rashi and Gulika is in dual Rashi. Death of all the passengers. It clearly indicates death of all the passengers. Prashna Jyotish is amazing and indicates the reason for the crash. Moon and Saturn combination in Prashna chart is not considered good, and anything, and especially in such an event of crash when Gulika is also there in the 12th house and the sign is also of 22nd Dreshkon, and Kharesh is Saturn with Moon, the 6th lord. So this is the chart I have shown here, and Bipin Rawat was born on 15th March 1958. And in my previous article, I had mentioned that those people who are running the age of multiple of 8, and if they have Venus afflicted in the sign Sagittarius or Capricorn, will be the worst time, and it is proved spot on. He has Venus in the sign Capricorn with Mars. It is afflicted, and in Navamsha Venus is with Ketu, and Venus is the Karka for aircraft. So friends, this is all I just wanted to share. My predictions have proved spot on. I had written 2 articles, and both these articles pointed out that the month of December is going to be most venomous, and it is going, there could be air and rail accidents, and where VVIPs could be involved, and the solar ingress of Libra and debilitated Sun in the 10th house in Papakatari Yoga clearly pointed out the event. So this is all, friends, I just wanted to share. Thank you for listening to me. Have a good day. Bye bye.